So here we are for the next one. Well, actually 3. So there's 1, 2 there. We should be leaving. They should be leaving soon. And then us 3, which is Tatro's
speed on vehicle 958, 93.445. 93.445.
There's all the folks watching the race.
958.
There's Tatro coming by. You gonna say anything?
Why is it getting hot?
It's gonna get a trophy.
I'm running the AC full blast. I'm cool.
It's getting hot in here. I got one glove on, one glove off.
Yeah. I think it's gonna start this time.
I don't know. The button's acting up.
Yeah.
Time is.
We'll find out.
Time is. 10:42. 10:42 and going for a first
I
round.
told you around 9 to 10, so let's go.
Fast.
I should have ran at 8 o'clock.
Got the course clear.
I don't know. Why weren't you ready at 8 o'clock?
Who are we sending next?
The crew chief wasn't ready, huh?
Another sidecar. 7601 is up next. Sidecar motorcycle. This is a Team McLeish entry. It's powered by a 1949 vintage Harley Davidson, built in 2002. And I think we have Derek behind the controls on this one. Let's see. And it says a sidecar motorcycle. Streamliner.
And also, you see that guy over there? He's like, yeah, I was like, there's no reason why you're there now.
All right, here we go. Derek, away we go. Bike number 7601, sidecar, screaming off the course, making sure his clutch is nice and warm as he goes.
And
favoring the right side of the course, looking for a class minimum of
here comes Tatro
34 miles an hour. Well, here's the 50cc bike, guys. This is truly the king of the Calendar Brigade. I guarantee you can come over here and come check out the off-road coffee shop on the south side of the start line. Get yourself a cup of coffee, come back,
bikes coming
and
up.
we still won't have a time on Derek when he goes through the traps. Cool part about this is a great demonstration that you don't have to spend a whole lot of money to go racing. You threw a 50cc engine in a bike, built a cool sidecar bike, and you spend all your R&D trying to get the engine going, trying to get the bike probably as light as possible, I'd imagine, and balanced.
50 cc's, when they hit the timing mark, it takes it's not by seconds, it's by a little bit longer than that. They just don't go
So as we're
fast.
flipping the pages of the calendar, you can also have plenty of time to head out on the north side of the course and grab yourself some merchandise from the SCTA.
Go get yourself a cup of coffee while we're waiting for him to cross the finish line.
You can go over there and pick up a $15 shirt and come back and still wait for a time.
I was going to make a joke like that, but yep.
I guarantee you won't get a speeding ticket on that run. Not even speeding in the pits. I wonder if he sticks his arms out, will he turn? Oh, he'll probably stop. Yeah, you're right about that. All right. I think I'm done making fun of Derek, and I'm sure he'll have a good laugh out of all of it. Maybe if he opens up his suit, he might gain some speed, like a sail. Yes, does he have a spinnaker? Yes, yes. That's the turbocharger for a sailboat, by the way. All right, through the traps at 40.602. Look at that. We have a happy Derek McLeish and racking up those points. 40.602 for the 50cc motorcycle. Take the impound, sir. Congratulations. There you go. Set a record. He probably...
Ready to go. Ready? Taking off fast. Can't see it. All I'm seeing is dust.
He's actually got a couple of years on it.
I'm just seeing dust.
We got this fight for you. You just gotta keep doing it, man. I vaguely remember that.
Come on,